Looking for a compressor that delivers professional results without the hefty price tag? Meet Fircomp 2, a free plugin that is turning heads in the audio production world. Welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX and you're welcome to CoinX the Producer, where we bring you the best in music production tools and tips. In today's episode of free VST plugins for music production you may like, we'll be diving into Fircomp 2 by Jon V Audio. This is a free compressor plugin that is making waves for its transparency and efficiency. Fircomp 2 is a digital compressor / limiter designed for ultra-clean, transparent compression. It offers zero-latency processing, optional lookahead smoothing, and a musical release stage. This plugin is compatible with VST3 and AU formats, and it is available for both Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now, let's have a closer look at the key features. 1. Zero-latency processing. With this plugin, you can achieve a real-time compression without phase shift or frequency response changes. 2. Optional lookahead FIR gain smoothing. This enhances transparency with a compensated latency of just 1.5 milliseconds. Thirdly, innovative digital envelope detection. This reduces distortion without overshoots or lags. The next is musical release stage, which is a dual parallel release with history-dependent behavior for natural dynamics. Sidechain compatibilities. This includes high-pass filtering and external sidechain support, stereo and mid-side processing. This is a flexible option for various mixing scenarios. Customizable GUI. This plugin you can actually resize its interface with theme customization options. And finally, low CPU usage. Efficient 64-bit DSP code utilizing SSE instructions. Now, looking at the UI, you can see the number of features it came with, and not just ordinary features. These are super important features that will give you the opportunity to really take full control of your sound. Now, let's have a quick demonstration to hear this plugin in action. I'm going to apply this to a vocal track and a drum boss to see how it performs in real-world scenarios.
No worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us be, but we go dey alright. Come closer, brother. I say come closer, brother. No worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us be, but we go dey alright. Come closer, brother. I say come closer, brother. No worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us be, but we go dey alright. Come closer, brother. I say come closer, brother. No worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us be, but we go dey alright. Come closer, brother. I say come closer, brother. No worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us be, but we go dey alright. Come closer, brother. I say come closer, brother. No worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us be, but we go dey alright. Come closer, brother. I say come closer, brother. No worry.
Alright, I believe you had it, right? So let's talk about the pros and the cons. For the pros, transparent sound quality, low CPU usage, user-friendly interface. Now about the cons, limited to basic compression features, lacks advanced modulation options, and it doesn't have a built-in preset. Alright, here is my final thoughts. Fircomp 2 stands out as a top-tier compressor plugin, offering features and sound quality that rival commercial options. Its transparent processing, low CPU usage, and flexible features make it a valuable addition to any producer's toolkit. So if you are looking to elevate your mixes without breaking the bank, give Fircomp 2 a try. Download it from the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plugin reviews and music production tips. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.